Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you see that I'm wearing the same shirt that I was in another video this week, it's because I've recorded several videos this week for you because I missed one from last Friday. So I'm trying to play catch up with you. But today I went over to the Dollar Tree. So I ended up seeing in Dollar Tree these brand new area rugs that they had, and I needed to snatch one up. Well, let's just say I snatched two of them of these. And it's these woven rugs right here. They have these adorable tassels right here. And it is the home collection right there. And these are the 16 by 24 inches. They're cotton and polyester, but they're super adorable, super farmhouse. And the other day, I ended up getting two of these. And so the other day, I have a pillow that I normally like to use that I got the filling from IKEA. But the pillow case in itself, it was regatta stain that could not be removed. And I was really bummed out because I really enjoyed that pillowcase and wondered what else am I going to do with that pillowcase right now. I didn't want to throw it out. And of course, pillowcases are really expensive and I am all about doing things on a budget. So when I saw this, I'm like, hey, this could probably fit my pillowcase that I got from IKEA. I came home and this is the pillowcase. It has the stuffing in it. And so when I ended up coming home, and I'm going to try to do this here so you guys can see. And I ended up doing this like this. It's gonna fit perfect in there. We're gonna go ahead and cover this pillow stuffing and add this little area rug, and I'm gonna use this as a pillow. What I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna do this the easy way. We're gonna go ahead and do this without sewing, okay? First thing I did was remove the tag from the area rug, and I grabbed the two pieces of the area rug, lining them up together so that I know exactly how I'm going to glue them together. Now keep in mind that this particular area rug does have the ruffles on both sides, so if you are one of those people just like me who is very particular on how they want certain things to look, I wanted to make sure that my ruffles on each side were lined up together and glued accordingly. Once I have the area rug lined up the way that I want it to, I grab my hot glue gun and start putting a good amount of glue to the edges of the area rug to seal it. Once I add the glue, I give it a good pinch to the edges to make sure that it is secure. I really like this area rug for a pillowcase just because, as you noticed it, the edges are very, very thick. So when you do add your IKEA inner cushion, it's going to give it that crisp edge that you're seeing right here. Once I add the IKEA inner cushion into my pillowcase, I'm going to start dabbing glue on one corner, lining the tassels from the top to the bottom. I stop and I go into the opposite corner and I do the same thing. This is going to make sure that when the glue and the pillowcase goes together, it is as equal and as balanced without you having one edge being more lopsided than the other, but it is going to be sealed evenly as possible. You want to make sure that as you're gluing, your tassels are being adjusted so they are not getting stuck with the glue gun inside as you're sealing your pillowcase. As soon as you're done with your pillow, you want to make sure that you adjust your pillow cushion with your pillowcase, removing any hot glue strands, fixing the fringes, and get it ready for styling. I really like how this pillow turned out. Super affordable. What do you guys think? It's so Anthropology-like. If this is your first time watching, I would hope that you would consider and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Take care. God bless.